If you want to maintain good health and improve the quality of your life, you should start taking care of yourself inside and out. Healthily kickstarting your day will help you improve both your mental and physical health. A powerful blend of olive oil and lemon with lukewarm water will boost your immune system against infections and diseases while detoxifying your organism. This video will show you the amazing benefits of drinking extra virgin olive oil and lemon in the morning, plus how to mix these two together for the best possible taste. Benefits: when you add the nutritional qualities of extra virgin olive oil to the beneficial properties of fresh lemon, a magical mixture full of nutrients is created. The union of these two magnificent elements has multiple health and well-being benefits. You can see some of the most remarkable in the following part of the video. Number 1. Detoxification. Olive oil becomes even more drastic when mixed with fresh lemon juice. Due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, this natural antioxidant eliminates the body's toxins and helps the liver function properly. Number 2. Boost your immune system. Fresh lemon juice and some extra virgin olive oil give you a leg up on your daily vitamin C. This antioxidant nutrient helps the immune system work properly, but more importantly, it helps the body maintain a balanced pH and protects you against colds and flu. Number 3. Promotes digestion. The laxative action of extra virgin olive oil and lemon's ability to deflate the stomach significantly improves food digestion. The result is better nutrient absorption and less bloating. Number 4. Gives you energy. The daily consumption of olive oil provides energy to the body while filling it with modest amounts of vitamins E and K. The combination of olive oil and lemon water oxygenates and energizes the body, giving you a significant boost to start your day. Number 5. Keeps blood pressure under control. The antioxidants and minerals present in the ingredients of this natural medicine can be of great help to someone with high blood pressure levels. Drinking it first thing in the morning helps you control your blood pressure and improves heart rhythm. Number 6. Reduces cholesterol levels. Olive oil, which is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, helps reduce bad cholesterol levels in the body, improves blood circulation, and maintains the health of veins and arteries. These were the 6 best benefits of drinking olive oil and lemon in the morning. Now let's see how you can make it. You need 200 milliliters of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 1/2 of lemon. Mix all the ingredients together and drink on an empty stomach every morning 30 minutes before breakfast. As I mentioned before, practicing this simple morning ritual can do wonders to your overall health and fitness. I recommend using only high-quality products for the extra virgin olive oil and the lemons. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos connected to healthy food, so you get notified when I post a new video.